Hey guys, how's it going today? Okay, if you've got a Kohler 25 horsey power and it's coughing and spitting, giving you a hard time to start it and running low on power, coughing, spitting, whatever, pooping, making whatever bad noises it makes. Anyway, here we see the fuel pump, right? There she is. It's a vacuum type fuel pump. So if you see this hose here, where I've got the gas filter, just replace this whole thing from the filter all the way to the tank. It's not far and it doesn't cost much. And if you're going to use a gas filter, use a small one because this is a vacuum fuel pump. So the less fuel it's got to suck into a filter, the better. And that's usually the problem because any little, it could leak air but not leak gas. So just replace it if it's, 6, 7, 8 years old. And then before you go cleaning the carburetor and going crazy, try it without buying a fuel pump. They're only about 30 bucks anyways. And then, what else? Okay, so then put really good gas in it and run it. Like I said, replace the main line, fuel line right here, or all fuel lines, check them, eh? If there's any leak anywhere, this fuel pump's not gonna pump as much gas as fast as you're using it, okay? So there's a tip, and I think, yeah, again, fuel pumps are about 30 bucks. Replace the line going to the tank, put a small gas filter on it, check all the lines. This one is the line going back to the carb. Or sorry, up here. This is the one going back to the carb. This one's going to, I think, an engine vacuum. Yeah, this one here is going to the carb. You can tell anyway. This one's going to engine vacuum. That's how this works, by vacuum. So give that a try. Put the best gas you can in it and run it and see what goes. Thank you, and please don't forget to like and or subscribe if you like.